Have you felt stuck lately? Feeling stuck now? Like a heavy fog has settled over your mind, your heart, your body? You question your worth and purpose in life? If so, take a deep breath. And consider the simplest, most powerful remedy waiting right outside your door. It's nature. Nature has a way of healing us and reminding us that we're all connected to something more significant. Studies show that even spending 20 minutes outdoors can lower anxiety and reduce symptoms of depression. Make you feel a whole lot happier too. Walking among the trees, sitting by the water, can bring calm where chaos once ruled. Being in nature also improves self-esteem, makes you feel good about yourself. There's a connection there. Watching a flower bloom, a bee buzzing by, hearing the steady rhythm of waves, it reminds us that growth happens even in the quietest moments. We're reminded that we too, as humans, have seasons of renewal. Nature isn't just about mental health. It also revives our bodies, our minds, and our spirits. A brisk walk outside gets your blood flowing, boosts your fitness, and fills your lungs with fresh air. Natural sunlight increases vitamin D and regulates your sleep and energizes you. But probably most importantly, nature inspires. It reminds us of how beautiful life can be, even in imperfect moments. And if the mountains can stand tall, after centuries of storms, so can you. So the next time life feels too heavy for you, take that first step outside. You'll find not only nature, but you might find yourself.